In this lecture, we're going to learn how to ask a person of his age. Essentially, how to ask, "How old are you?" When we're asking a man, "How old are you?" we'll need to ask him, "Ben kama ata?" Ben in Hebrew can be a boy or a son. Kama is how much. Ata is the personal pronoun you when we're addressing a man. Ben kama ata. And the person needs to reply, Ani ben, and then he's saying his age. Ani ben 28, Ani ben 33, Ani ben 54, Ani ben 12, Ani ben 13, etc. The ben cannot be skipped. If the person is just saying Ani, it means nothing. It's just saying Ani and a number. It has absolutely no grammatical meaning. Although people will understand you, but it is grammatically incorrect. But we're learning correct Hebrew, aren't we? Same goes for a woman. When we're asking a woman or a girl, "How old are you?" we'll need to ask her, Bat kama at. Bat is a daughter or a girl. Kama is how much. At is you when we're addressing a woman. Bat kama at. And the woman should reply, Ani bat, and then say her age. Ani bat 29, Ani bat 43, Ani bat 18, Ani bat 19. So once again, Ben kama ata, addressed to a man, "How old are you?" The man should reply, Ani ben, and then say the number of his age. Bat kama at, the same question addressed to a woman, and the woman should be replying, Ani bat, and then say the number of her age. Ben kama ata? Ani ben 27. Ben kama ata? Ani ben 38. One more time. Ben kama ata? Ani ben 27. Ben kama ata? Ani ben 38. בת כמה את? אני בת 43. בת כמה את? אני בת 56. One more time. בת כמה את? אני בת 43. בת כמה את? אני בת 56. בן כמה אתה? אני בן 33. בת כמה את? אני בת 26. Excellent work, guys, and in this lecture we have learned how to ask properly of a person's age.